Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Rog here, aka the Gourmet Grandad. Well, tonight's recipe is going to be a risotto, chicken and chorizo risotto to be precise. It's the main reason for this is we didn't eat all our chicken at the weekend. We had chicken for a Sunday lunch, and we're going to use this. Don't like waste. So yeah, first I'll show you the ingredients that we're going to use. So firstly, I'll introduce you to the ingredients we're going to use. Here they are, all nicely lined out. We've got a pint of good quality chicken stock, we've got a lemon and an onion. We're going to use a couple of garlic cloves, not all of this obviously. That's going to be crushed and chopped up. There's our chorizo. We've got some parmesan cheese to sprinkle over the top of the meal when it's all done. Some butter. Obviously some arborio rice. We've got about 300 grams there. A little drop of cooking oil. And a chicken. I'm going to cut that into chunks and that can go in. So off we go to the frying pan. Okay, so let's get cooking. First we're going to put a drop of oil into this pan. Actually that's second. First we put the pan on, get some heat under it. Then we can go in with our onions. Can you see that I've chopped them up a bit coarsely? They can go in. And we'll give those a couple of minutes to sweat down. Then we can go in with our butter. I love butter. Oh. There we go. Melt that down. Then this is the important part. We go in with the arborio rice, all of that, and you've got to make sure that each grain is coated with some of the oil and some of the butter. So we'll stir that around for a minute or two. Crush in the garlic. Then we can start to add our stock, our chicken stock. We'll do this a bit at a time, not too quickly. Put a bit in and then we'll wait for the rice to soak that up and then we'll add some more. Now we can add our chicken. It's sort of cut, flaked into big chunks if you like. That can go in. And our chorizo, little slices, I've cut those into chunks as well. We can put that, sprinkle that about so it's not a sort of all in one claggy lump. There we go, it goes in. Now if after 20 minutes it starts to look a little bit dry, like this, add a bit more stock. Or you could just have water if you want, just a little bit. Keep it moist. You don't want the rice to dry out too much. Now it's at this point I'm going to put in the juice of one lemon. And that goes with my trendy little jet juicer there, lovely little thing. And also, as an afterthought, I'm going to add a drop of white wine vinegar. Not too much, I don't want it too powerful. And there it goes. Doing well. That's looking good. One more spoonful, and that should do. And then we'll finish that off with some freshly grated parmesan cheese. A nice tasty sprinkling over the top. This is another one of my favourites. I could eat this with everything. Wow, excellent dinner tonight. Well, thank you so much for watching this latest video of mine. Hope you've enjoyed it. Try it for yourself. It's a good way of using up scraps, if you like, because I don't like waste. And yeah, that'll keep us filled up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again next time. Please give me a like and subscribe if you haven't already subscribed, and bye for now.